Imagine a garden bursting with life, a place where every plant thrives in harmony, creating a vibrant tapestry of colors and textures. Picture plump tomatoes, vibrant greens, and fragrant herbs, all thriving without the need for harsh chemicals. These plants are not just surviving, they are flourishing, producing bountiful harvests that are as healthy as they are delicious. This is the promise of Korean natural farming, or KNF, a method that goes beyond traditional organic farming by focusing on the health of the soil and the ecosystem as a whole. This innovative approach is transforming how we think about growing food. By mimicking natural processes, KNF creates a self-sustaining environment where plants can thrive without the need for synthetic inputs. KNF harnesses the power of nature, using beneficial microbes to create a thriving ecosystem right in your backyard. These microbes break down organic matter, enriching the soil and providing plants with the nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. KNF relies on locally sourced, natural inputs. This means using materials that are readily available in your environment, such as leaf mold, compost, and fermented plant juices. By understanding and respecting the natural processes, you can create a garden that is not only productive, but also sustainable and resilient. Intrigued? Let's delve deeper into the world of KNF and discover how it can revolutionize your gardening experience. Korean natural farming, or KNF, is an eco-conscious approach to agriculture that emphasizes working in harmony with nature. It's a method that not only respects the environment but also seeks to enhance it. Developed by Cho Han-kyu, KNF draws inspiration from traditional Korean and Japanese farming wisdom. Cho Han-kyu, a visionary in sustainable agriculture, combined age-old techniques with modern insights to create a system that is both innovative and deeply rooted in tradition. It emphasizes self-sufficiency and sustainability, minimizing reliance on external inputs. Farmers are encouraged to use what they have on hand, making the most of natural resources and reducing waste. At the heart of KNF lies the concept of a closed-loop system. This means that everything on the farm is recycled and reused, creating a self-sustaining cycle. For example, farm waste is composted and returned to the soil, enriching it and promoting healthy plant growth. KNF promotes the use of natural fertilizers made from ingredients like fish, bones, and plants, which are not only cost-effective but also environmentally friendly. In a world grappling with the environmental impact of conventional farming, KNF offers a refreshing alternative. Unlike traditional methods that often degrade soil health and pollute waterways, KNF focuses on regeneration and balance. By nurturing the soil food web, KNF enhances natural fertility and plant resilience. This means healthier plants, higher yields, and a reduced need for chemical interventions. KNF is more than just a set of techniques. It's a philosophy rooted in respect for nature's wisdom. It recognizes the interconnectedness of all living things and strives to create a thriving ecosystem where plants, animals, and microorganisms can coexist in harmony. This means observing and learning from nature's cycles, using local resources whenever possible, and minimizing waste. KNF empowers you to become a guardian of your land. KNF is guided by a set of core principles that emphasize sustainability, self-sufficiency, and a deep understanding of natural processes. First and foremost, KNF prioritizes the use of indigenous microorganisms, or IMOs, to enhance soil fertility. These beneficial microbes play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter, making nutrients available to plants, and suppressing plant diseases. These microscopic powerhouses are collected from the local environment and cultivated to create a potent cocktail of beneficial bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms. IMOs work their magic by improving soil structure, increasing nutrient availability, and enhancing plant resistance to pests and diseases. Embracing KNF brings a plethora of benefits, both for your garden and the planet. KNF leads to healthier and more resilient plants. By nurturing the soil food web, you provide plants with the nutrients they need to thrive, naturally boosting their immune systems. This means fewer pests, diseases, and the need for chemical interventions. You don't need a vast farm to experience the magic of KNF. Start by collecting IMOs from your local environment. Look for areas rich in organic matter, such as under a pile of leaves or around the base of healthy trees. Once you've gathered your IMOs, you can cultivate them further using simple techniques and readily available materials like rice wash water. KNF stands in stark contrast to conventional farming methods that rely heavily on synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides. Conventional farming often prioritizes short-term gains and high yields, but this comes at a significant cost. The extensive use of chemical inputs can lead to a range of environmental and health issues. These chemical inputs can have detrimental effects on soil health, water quality, and human health. For instance, runoff from fields treated with synthetic fertilizers and pesticides can contaminate nearby water bodies, leading to pollution and harming aquatic life. Soil erosion is another major concern, as the structure and fertility of the soil degrade over time, making it less productive and more prone to erosion. KNF, on the other hand, is a holistic approach that prioritizes the long-term health of the ecosystem. It focuses on enhancing the natural processes and cycles within the farm environment. By using locally sourced natural inputs such as compost, fermented plant juices, and indigenous microorganisms, KNF aims to create a balanced and self-sustaining ecosystem. By nurturing the soil food web, KNF creates a self-sustaining system that requires minimal external inputs and promotes biodiversity. The presence of beneficial microbes and earthworms in the soil enhances its structure and fertility, leading to healthier plants and higher resilience against pests and diseases. Cover crops and crop rotation are also integral parts of KNF, helping to maintain soil health and reduce the need for chemical interventions.